A single spoon can harbor millions of microscopic organisms, unseen by the naked eye. These invisible worlds teem with life, forming complex ecosystems on everyday objects. What appears clean often hosts a bustling community of bacteria and other tiny creatures. Understanding this hidden realm offers a new perspective on our surroundings. It reveals the intricate balance of nature operating just beyond our perception. This microscopic universe is constantly at play, influencing our lives in profound ways. Let's explore the fascinating details of these miniature inhabitants. Imagine a world where single cells are the giants, and the terrain is impossibly vast. This is the reality of the microscopic realm, even on something as common as a spoon. When you use a spoon, you're not just interacting with metal or plastic. You're dipping into a diverse population of microorganisms that call it home. These organisms, primarily bacteria, arrive through various means throughout the day. Airborne particles carry them, and direct contact transfers them from surfaces. Even a quick wipe might leave behind thousands of these invisible residents. But don't worry, most of these microbes are harmless. Even some are beneficial. Your own body hosts trillions of bacteria, essential for digestion and immunity. Yet some can cause illness if they reach the wrong place or multiply excessively. So, how does this microscopic community establish itself on your spoon? It begins with a single bacterium landing, finding a moist spot to thrive. This tiny cell then starts to divide, creating copies of itself rapidly. Under ideal conditions, one bacterium can become millions in just a few hours. They form biofilms, sticky layers that help them adhere to the spoon's surface. These biofilms protect them from drying out and being easily washed away. It's like a tiny city forming, with streets and buildings made of microbial cells. But that's not the strangest part of their existence. Some of these microbes are incredibly resilient, surviving harsh conditions. They can endure temperature changes, drying out, and even mild cleaning agents. This resilience allows them to persist on surfaces long after they've been used. Wait until you hear what comes next about their interactions. Microbes don't just exist in isolation. They communicate with each other. They use chemical signals to coordinate their behavior within the biofilm. This communication, called quorum sensing, helps them decide when to grow or move. It's a complex form of cooperation, happening on a microscopic scale. The spoon becomes a bustling metropolis for these single-celled organisms. And then something unexpected happened. They can even influence taste. Certain bacteria can break down food particles, altering the flavor profile slightly. This effect is usually too subtle for us to notice consciously. However, it highlights the deep connection between microbes and our food. The sheer number of bacteria on a used spoon can be staggering. Estimates suggest hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions, of individual cells. Think of a single teaspoon holding more bacteria than there are people on Earth. Regular washing effectively removes the majority of these organisms. It also underscores the importance of good hygiene practices. Regular washing effectively removes the majority of these organisms. This simple act breaks down the biofilms and washes away the microbial city. However, a truly sterile spoon is almost impossible to maintain. Life finds a way, constantly colonizing new surfaces. Understanding this microscopic world encourages a sense of wonder. It reminds us that even ordinary objects are part of a larger, dynamic system. The spoon, a simple utensil, becomes a gateway to exploring microbial ecology. It demonstrates how life thrives in every conceivable niche. These tiny organisms play crucial roles in nutrient cycling and decomposition.
They are essential for the health of our planet's ecosystems.
So the next time you pick up a spoon, consider the unseen world it carries. It's a reminder of the vastness of life beyond our immediate senses. This intricate web of microscopic existence is truly fascinating. If you found this journey into the microscopic realm captivating, subscribe for more. Share this with friends who appreciate the wonders of science. Let us know in the comments what everyday object you'd like to explore next. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.